Okay, Q&A after Back to the Basics 2024, Back to the Basics. You got it, Gary Caps. You up first, brother.
Hi, Bob. I just want everybody to know my flight's booked, my motel's booked. I'm going to San Antonio.
All right.
I will be there. And also, Bob, on this new comp plan, I'm starting to study it more, and I'm getting more excited about it. I think that you really hit on point today about running for the silver bar, and and I just sent a text to Blake to maybe redo a 90-day run for the people that are copper and bronze to have that chance again.
Hey, good idea.
So anyway, and thank you
Well,
for your
they
training.
they
Thank
they
you for your
can't they
Saturday.
can't they can't do it for bronze. Okay. They
Yeah.
they can't do it for bronze. That's just a step away. That's for copper and below like they did last time, they could do
Hmm.
that. Maybe. Or maybe just everybody that's at pay grade associate, maybe they could do that, you know. I don't
You
know.
never know unless you ask, right?
Never know until you ask. You're right. So thanks for doing that. Okay. But
Okay.
that's really what we got to get to is getting on the 90-day run for the silver bar because it's never been easier. I'm telling you. I analyzed this, I put this together, and it's never been easier to get the 100-ounce silver bar. Okay. And also you don't have to worry about any parts of the comp plan. It just naturally happens. Okay. It just naturally happens. Any other questions? Let's see. Uh, was it was Richie was that was on. I think y'all were talking when I joined. Uh, he's in Amarillo. Are you still with us? I wanted to ask him something. Hmm. Okay. No questions? Everybody okay? Well, man, I'm going to let y'all go early then. I've got an appointment coming up here at one.
It's good to hear.
Yes, yes, Brenda, you got something?
Yes, I just wanted to ask you, Bob, is there a training about the difference between the gold and silver and like Bitcoin and crypto? Because I have people in my church that are into that, and wouldn't know how to talk to anybody about it.
Well, I've done a lot of that over the years here. I just don't know where it's at.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't give, I know it's included in quite a few trainings that I've done. I just don't know where it's at, Brenda. But I will give one on crypto. Crypto is nothing. Everybody's enamored with this crypto stuff,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and it mostly is tokens. Tokens are worthless. You can't exchange tokens for money. You 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 only have a few crypto that do, do do you have something going on in your background,
Yeah,
Brenda?
yeah,
Because
yeah. I'm sorry. He just muted it.
oh,
It
okay.
was the TV.
The uh, tokens, which most people are doing, are worthless. So they're spending good money on worthless nothing. And it's on the story of, well, this is how Ethereum and Bitcoin kind of got started, and you got to have tokens to move stuff, and it's going to be the next Bitcoin, which is an out and out lie. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Same thing with lumens or XLM or XRP. I mean, those did come about that way. That is true. But the probability of that happening and then participating in it is very, very, very low. And so basically it's worse than gambling. I would tell a person, if they're dealing with tokens, go to the casino and bet on red or black or odd or even. Your odds are so much better in your favor. Okay.
Okay.
So because at least there you almost have 50-50. You don't even have 50-50 at the casino with red or black or odd or even. Okay. I hope everybody knows you don't have
I don't
50-50.
know.
But the the to try and do Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or Dodge, the coins that you can exchange for dollars, okay? But the fees, if they think selling their gold and silver, if they're not getting a good price in crypto, they get raped, okay?
Oh,
It is absorbent, the fees that it
wow.
costs to change crypto into dollars. Okay. And so those are the only ones you deal in. And so what you're doing is it's like stock. They're very volatile. They go up and down so fast.
Hmm.
Okay. So but because of that fee, and then the taxes on crypto are for capital gains are unbelievable, and the government watches you like a hawk because
Oh,
a lot of people that deal with crypto are criminals. That's how they hide their money. Okay, that's how they.
uh-huh.
Okay, so uh,
Okay.
I've never. I mean, I dealt with it for a while because it was the craze. But as soon as I saw what was going on, I stopped that nonsense real quick. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now,
Okay.
I will tell everybody, and everybody knows I've got a little crypto. Okay.
Uh-huh.
But my crypto is the ones that the only tokens I have is the ones I had when I was in that stupid phase. Okay. So I got tokens, but they're worthless. So the money I spent to gain them and get them was, it's lost. But they're just sitting there doing nothing because I'm not trying to keep them. I'm not trying to do anything with them. But the crypto I do have is a Ethereum, XRP, XLM, Dodge. These are things that I can convert to cash. And I was converting nearly everything I had into gold and silver when 7K took crypto to buy gold and silver. They don't take crypto anymore because of its volatility. Okay. It's a risk for them. They don't make a lot of money on gold and silver. In fact, their goal is to break even. Okay. On
Uh-huh.
gold and silver so that we get it at dealer cost. Well, uh, that way they can keep a low price in gold and silver being the advantage of membership. So, in essence, crypto is nothing more than legalized gambling.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Okay.
that's all.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
And for the life of me, I can't see how so many Christians get involved with it.
I know we're in Ohio, and JD Vance, of course, is now the VP pick for Trump, and he's involved in it. So
Well,
they're really excited about it.
well,
So I don't know.
until crypto becomes a medium of exchange for commercial, where people are actually taking crypto, it's nothing but what is it backed by? It's a digital entity. What's the difference between Bitcoin and CBDC? Tell me the difference. Hey, here's what I ask people when they do it. What is the difference between crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP? Now, these are legitimate cryptos. What's the difference
Okay.
between them and a CBDC? You know what a CBDC is? That's a
Yes.
central bank crypto.
Okay.
Okay. That's a central bank digital currency. So what's the difference? If you're against the CBDC, why aren't you against Ethereum and Bitcoin? Oh, well, they got it, you know, they can't, you can't just produce it out of thin air. Oh, really? Where the heck do you think Bitcoin comes from? Out of thin air.
Yeah, I don't know anything about it. So
Where they, individuals get paid to mine it, to transact, to have all these computers running on all this power, and they mine Bitcoin, they mine Ethereum, they mine XRP. It comes out of thin air. What a thin air is the taxi fare you pay. Oh, you and I are paying for creation of Bitcoin and Ethereum if we're participating in that market. See, they have all this language and all this stuff that makes it almost impossible for the layperson to read and understand. What you got to do is cut through all that stuff and just
yeah.
get to what I'm just talking about, right here with you. That's
Yes.
really what you got to get to.
Okay.
And then you ask yourself, well, what do I want to have in my hands? Gold or silver or crypto? Because you can't have crypto in your hands, by the way. You know that, right? It can only exist digitally on your computer in the cloud.
Wow.
Well, let me ask you another big question. What happens if we have an EMP?
That's right.
Well, all your money's gone.
It's gone. Yep.
Well, what happens if, I don't know if any of y'all were affected by CrowdStrike. I was. Uh, I mean, it doesn't hurt us, but I had recorded certain programs that when we do watch something, we want to watch something that is meaningful. So we watch uh, learning type programs, and then
Yes.
there are a couple of programs that we kind of enjoy for just enjoy. What? And I had quite a few programs recorded and stored in the cloud in our streaming service provider. Well, guess what? They were all erased. And they told me they could not be recovered.
Wow.
Oh, and I just thought when they said they can't be recovered, you gotta be kidding me. This ought to be pretty easy. They can't be recovered. They said, nope, can't be recovered. And I said, wow, what happened when we have an EMP and they can't recover the blockchain? Huh? What happens then? Hey, guess what? Those of us with gold and silver, we don't have to worry about that. And then some people ask me, so, well, what happens? You know, our sound money wallet, it goes down too, Bob. I said, yeah, the sound money wallet may go down, but they're backed up by paper too, And I don't know about y'all, but I keep a copy of mine all the time. I mean, everybody should. Uh, and so I can always have, I got a telephone. I can always either go there and withdraw my gold and silver, or I can have it shipped to me, can't I?
Mm-hmm.
I
Yes.
can't have little digital entities shipped to me. Can you?
No, no,
Well,
that's for sure.
I just did the training for you.
Okay. Thank you so
You
much.
bet, Brenda. Linda, yes, ma'am. Linda.
Hey, Bob, how are you?
Hey.
Yeah, I had to get my phone pulled up to get off mute. As far as what Brenda was talking about, I've had people come to me with crypto questions too, and you literally put some silver in their hand. And you say, here's some silver, let them feel it, and say, can you please just give me a piece of your crypto? And they just look at you. And I said, because you don't have it. And again, because of the crowd strike and everything, you get into all that. But I don't want to have something I can't touch and feel.
That
Because you're really not in control of it if you can't see it.
That's exactly right. More the reason, thank you. That was very good, Linda.
Yeah.
More the reason that everybody has to have my tool set with them all the time, because you can put a piece of it in their hands and demonstrate that. Very good. Exactly. Perfect. Thank you so much, Linda. That was good.
You're welcome.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna say have a great day, a blessed day. Let's go get some silver, create some silver bar winners, everybody. Let's have
Aloha,
some fun.
Bob.
Thank you,
Aloha,
Bob.
Bob. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
You bet.
Thanks, Bob.
Bye. Thanks, Bob.
Hey,
Thank y'all.
mahalo, brother Bob.
Yo, I got to
Gary.
stop this
USA.
recording.
Aloha,
Hey, Gary.
Gary.
Aloha.
Thanks, Bob.
Aloha,
Have a
brother.
good
That was very
weekend,
quick
everybody.
idea you had going to Blake on that one.
Thank you.